guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since my last video. However, I've been studying for finals and I've taken a little break just to get this video out to you, so I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm going to be unboxing my latest order from Moterm. I've been finding that while I love pocket size, I just need a little bit more room for my notes pages and some other things. I don't really think I'm going to be the type of person to have two planners with the same exact sort of weekly and daily schedule, but I do like something for sort of project planning and sort of note-taking, and I think this size will serve its purpose in allowing me to do that. So I'm very excited to unbox this, so let's get into it. First up, I ordered a magnetic clip from Moterm in the color Litchi white because that's my favorite leather, and I just thought, you know, no matter what product I'm using, whether my rings or, you know, other products that I have, I can utilize this clip, and I think it's really, really pretty. And this is my first ever clip from Moterm. But yeah, I think I'll definitely be getting more. I think it's a good bookmark and a good accessory. And moving right along to the main thing that I ordered. So this is the new Moterm packaging. They've upgraded to this black box, which I really like. It's really luxe. It reminds me of like getting a new handbag or a pair of shoes even, and it has what I ordered on this label, so if you wanted to sort of store it like this in your collection, you could do that too. So I think it serves a really great purpose. And I really, really love the box. Like, this is, I've seen other people's new packaging, so I'm happy that I decided to order something. But yeah, here we go. Just says Moterm in gold. It's really pretty. And yeah, so I ordered an A5 Luxe in the color Litchi white, if you hadn't already guessed. Litchi white is one of my favorite colors. I just think you can do so much with it in terms of like decorating, and so, you know, it's a really diverse color. And so yeah, my plans for this is to use this sort of as like a content planner, content notebook for my YouTube channel, just to be more consistent in 2020. I have a lot of goals, and I'm hoping, you know, that I'll bring most of them to, if not all of them, to fruition through having this planner. So yeah, it just came with now ruled paper, because you don't get to order your own just because they've upgraded the packaging, but I think the Moterm paper is really nice. And then on this left hand side you have a zippered pocket, card slots, like an inner pocket, secretarial pocket, and then on the back cover you have the pen loop, the card slots, and the two slots. I've seen somebody put in A5 Stalogy in here, so I want to try that out for myself. And then you also get a secretarial pocket on the right hand side, 30mm rings in silver, and then a large back pocket, which I think would be very useful for storing like leather sized papers. I've seen people use this as a goal planner, just anything you can use ring binders for, so I think they're really versatile compared to just getting, you know, a traditional spiral bound planner. So that's why I really love them. But yeah, so this is what I ordered. I'm really, really excited. It looks so much better in person. I will put the type of shipping I got was up on the screen, which was the AliExpress standard shipping. It came in, I want to say, about 10 days from the time I ordered it. So yeah, it was a very nice purchase. And then it also comes with this leather fly leaf, and you can put card slots on the back, and it has the added pen loop. So yeah, so this was my my unboxing. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. I will be getting a goal setting video to you guys in the near future, and I'll see you soon. Stay pretty and productive. Bye guys.